You ready? Let's get this show on the road.
Guys, we better do a video of Play-Doh. Let's get started. When you do it, you need to get the knife. You need to get a knife and then cut it. And use this do this for hair. Like you just do this. And you just do that to your hair. And let's get started. First get a cup of green, like that. It's ready. Come on. Uh-oh, something happened. So, sorry. Yeah. So you just, you see that? You just push this and push this really hard. Like it's pretty hard. So you just need to push it and push it, push it, push it. So you do this.
Is there anything I can assist you with, best friend? Or you don't need me yet?
I do.
Okay.
You just, so you put this in the microwave, then let it cool down, then we better do it again, okay?
Okay.